What was going on?
It's gonna start.
Oh shit!
Fucking close. You gotta tap the gas.
I'll get on the other side.
That was cool.
I forgot. With these injectors?
Fuck yeah, this shit ain't gonna stay alive. Yo, that's what's up. Fucking Astros, man. 2010.
Yeah.
Monsters and shit. But watch out, man. This shit's gonna fucking smoke everybody out there. Watch. It's alive! Alive! Fuck yeah, man!
Tire service good.
It's not even in gear.
I know.
That's that assembly lube shit.